Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In today's lecture, we are going to study about gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, and gram formula mass. In the last lecture, we already discussed about mole, and we said that if the atomic mass of an element is expressed in grams, it is its 1 mole. For example, the atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU. Here the unit is atomic mass unit. If this is expressed in grams, which is 12 grams, it means it is equal to its 1 mole. Similarly, if the molecular mass of a molecule is expressed in grams, it is equal to 1 mole of that molecule. And we already knew that the substances, they are made up of atoms. If it is an element is made up of atoms. If it is a molecules, this molecule will be made up of different atoms of elements. While formula units is for ionic compounds and they are made up of ions. Now, if the mass of an atom is calculated, it is its atomic mass, and we already knew that atomic mass is the number of protons and neutrons that are present within the nucleus of an atom. While for molecules, we talk about molecular mass, and that means the different atoms that are present within the molecule, their masses are added, and the number of times they are present, they are multiplied with it. We will get molecular mass. And formula mass, this is for ionic compounds. The steps for calculating formula mass are almost similar to the molecular mass. The only difference is based on the type of compound. If the compound is ionic, we are going to calculate its formula mass, and for the rest of compounds, we will calculate their molecular mass. Okay, now this is a way to express the masses of different atoms, molecules, or compounds. And there are a number of ways in which their masses can be expressed. One another way is to express them in grams, as we already discussed this within mole. While talking about mole, we said that their mass is expressed in grams. So this is one another way to express the masses of atoms, molecules, or of ionic compounds. Coming towards our today's topic, that is gram atomic mass. The word gram is showing you that here the atomic mass of an atom will be expressed in grams. So the relative atomic mass, when it is expressed in grams, this is your gram atomic mass. What is relative atomic mass? You already knew that relative atomic mass, we talk about this because the atomic mass of an atom is calculated in relation with another atom, and that was carbon 12. We already talked about this. Now coming, if someone says that what is 1 gram atom, it means that it is the relative atomic mass of that element and it is expressed in grams. So this is 1 gram atom of that element, and if they are expressed in grams, so they will be also known as mole. Okay, here are some elements with their gram atomic masses. 1 gram atom of hydrogen, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008. If you are talking about 1 gram, means we expressed in grams, and this is also equal to its 1 mole. Similarly, 1 gram atom of oxygen, its atomic mass is 15.998. So this is 1 mole of oxygen, and same is the case for carbon. And if you look at this, they are not whole numbers, and we already said that the atomic masses of most of the elements of the periodic table are not in whole numbers, and that is because of the presence of isotopes. Okay. One another thing you might have noted, that is that the gram atomic mass of the different elements are having different masses, and that is because the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons, they are different in all these atoms. So the 1 gram atom of different elements will have different masses. Okay, now coming towards the gram molecular mass. The word is already showing you here the molecular mass will be expressed in grams. So, this will be its gram molecular mass. So, the molecular mass of a substance when expressed in grams is its gram molecular mass, and we can also say that it is its gram molecule of that substance, and we are talking about grams. So, this is 1 mole of that specific molecule or compound. Now, here are some compounds that are expressed and their gram molecular mass. Previously, we already discussed how to calculate the molecular mass, and that was, in order to calculate the molecular mass, we should know the atomic masses of that elements. Because the word mass is used, so we will talk about mass, not atomic number. Water, the molecular mass can be calculated like this. 2, this 2 is showing you the number of times this atom is present, 1 is its atomic mass, and 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen. It is 1 atom of oxygen is present within water molecules, so we will get 18 AMU. We will get 18 AMU, and if this gram molecular mass is expressed in grams, this is its 1 mole. Okay. Next is carbon dioxide, its molecular mass is 44 AMU and gram molecular mass, so 44 gram, that is expressed in grams, and it is we knew it that it's 1 mole. Similarly, the molecular gram molecular mass of sulfuric acid can be calculated, and that is 98 gram. Last one is gram formula mass. So, it means we are talking about ionic compound. So, the mass of ionic compound when it is expressed in grams, this is its gram formula mass, or we can also say that it is its gram formula, and this is also known as mole. Here are some ionic compounds with their gram formula mass: sodium chloride, calcium chloride, and their gram formula masses are 58.5 gram, 111 gram. Let us talk about calcium chloride, how we are going to calculate its formula mass. We should know the atomic mass of calcium, that is 40. We should know the atomic mass of chlorine, that is 35.5 AMU. To calculate its formula mass, we are going to multiply the number of times that atom is present with its atomic mass and then add both of them. We will get 111 AMU. So, we are talking about gram formula mass, it should be expressed in grams, and this is its gram formula mass. Thank you.